everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I would like to display a web application built by me and my friend. We had worked together on this project. It is actually a virtual stock market website built in Django framework. So let me run it and show you. First, I will activate the virtual environment. And then I will use the command python manage.py run server. So now our website is available on localhost 800. So this is the home page of our website. As you can see that these images are in the slideshow. We have made the UI using Bootstrap and we have tried to keep it simple. So let's have a look at all the features and functionalities of this website. First, we will create an account. Test. Okay, so the two passwords didn't match. Okay, now it's fine. So we have logged into the website and you can see that there are various tabs available. We will look at each tab one by one. First of all, let's look at the company stocks tab. So this is the company stocks page. In this page, the user can view various companies, their stock prices, their previous stock price, their week high price or week low price, and we can also search for any company using their ticker name, which means that we don't need to put the entire name of the company. We can use their ticker name, which are usually small. Using this, we can directly search a particular company. So I had entered FB for Facebook, and here a detailed graph for Facebook is available. As you can see, this is a line graph, but we can change it into scatter graph or column graph, and we can even change the scale. Suppose we want a single day. You can see that now the graph is in the form of bars and the scale is of a single day. From here, we can even add the company to our favorite list, or we can even buy that stock. So it has been added to our favorites. We can even remove it. So let's buy some stocks of FB. So first of all, you will see that here the balance is $100,000 or $1 lakh. So whenever a user signs up for the first time on this website, he will be given $100,000 of virtual money to buy and sell stocks. Here you can see that the company name is given and the price per share is also given according to the latest updates. So here we can enter the number of shares which we want to buy. Suppose we want to buy 10 stocks. We can proceed. And it will also give us total price and the balance after transaction. So we have finally bought 10 stocks of Facebook, and now our balance has reduced to $96,831. Since we had added Facebook in our favorites, we can also see that in the favorite section, Facebook is there. In the transaction section, we can view all the transactions which we have done. In the holding section, we can see the stocks which we have currently bought and we have not sold yet. From here, we can even sell few stocks. Suppose I want to sell 5 stocks. It will also tell us how much loss or profit we are getting after that transaction. So we have bought 10 stocks of Facebook and then we have sold 5 stocks of Facebook. The today's report section, we can view the report of each and every day. So I can see that today, whatever transactions I have done and what was the worth of all the shares sold, or whatever was the total loss or profit in the current balance. So the last section which is left is the leaderboard section. In this section, you can see the names of various users. Actually, we had only created these users to test it. So this is the leaderboard where the points of the user are decided by the profit or loss which they get on selling the stocks, and from that we give them certain points. So you can see that our current user, which is test, had incurred a loss on selling 5 stocks on Facebook. That's why its points are negative and currently it is at the lowest position. So these were some of the functionalities of our website. Apart from this, I would also like to show you one more functionality, which is if you buy a certain stock and you enter some amount of stocks, but if the total worth of those stocks is more than your balance, then you would not be able to buy that stock. For example, if I enter 10,000 stocks of Apple, it will give me that enter a valid number of shares, which is a warning because the price per share of Apple is $129 approximately. We can't buy 10,000 shares of Apple in our current balance. So this was our website. We had actually used an API to maintain and display the real-time stock prices and data. I hope you liked it. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.